Here I've got Neffos C7s, and let me show you how to perform a hard reset through the settings on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then scroll down, find and pick System, go to the Advanced, and here you've got reset options. Simply click on it, and if you truly want to erase all data from your device's internal storage, click on Erase All Data. And here, as you can see, this operation will reset everything, like Google account, system and app data, downloaded apps, music, photos, and all the other user data. Click on Reset Phone if you truly want to perform it, draw the pattern if you have one, just for confirmation, and now tap one more time on Erase Everything to perform this operation. And now just patiently wait until it's done. And that's it. As you can see, now you can set up your device from the scratch. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.